Alright, everybody, it's nighttime. I think we're the only ones in the desert right now, at least miles away. It's been a fun adventure shooting, and it's nighttime, so I finally get a chance to mess with my show you guys how good this works. So we got the M&P 40 made by Smith & Wesson. It's got a Crimson Trace laser grip on it and a TLR 1. Alright, so first things first, you'll notice you're going to see a laser out there. And it's going to be blurry because it's trying to... Okay. So now there's a target over there. Let's go over here. Right now I'm at 30 yards. I can't really tell if that's a threat or not. Here's something at 20 yards. But all you see is the red dot. And luckily there's a little light behind me from the motorhome. That's the reason why I feel you need some type of lighting system. So let's see if that's a friend or foe. Okay, so we got a foe there and a foe over there, and over here we got a whole bunch of bottles of mofos. So having a good tack light may mean the difference between protecting your home or shooting your family in the dark after you hear that noise. So make sure you know what you're aiming at. Could just save your life or one of your families.